feels like 100 years ago.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be getting a whole bunch of stuff done. I recorded on a Saturday and Sunday. This was the weekend right before my kids went back to school from winter break, and there was a bunch of stuff I had to get done.
Like the winners of the league, don't you know we had it?
I'm bringing you double the motivation because this video is in collab with Yesenia from Jesse's Lifestyle. You guys will love her channel. She is a mom of 4. She does cleaning videos, she does lifestyle videos, meal planning, everything you could think of. So make sure you go over there and check out her channel and tell her I said hi. I will also be making sure to leave her channel's link down in the description box so you can go check her out. On this Saturday morning, I made my kids some pancakes. They love pancakes. You would think they would be sick of it by now, but nope. Every Saturday morning is just something that they look forward to.
It works fast when you look away. What I'd give to go back there, those summer days. The smell of rain on the pavement brings me to that afternoon. The way you laughed in the pouring rain.
Luckily for me, my house wasn't really that bad. I just needed to prep my house for back to school and have everything nice and clean and more functional. I had the boys bring me their sheets and comforters downstairs so I could get them washed before I go upstairs and clean up.
Time is a thief. It works fast when you look away. What I'd give to go back there. It was you and me. Don't you know we had it all, those summer days. Those summer days.
So I pretty much always wipe my kids' bathroom every single day because when I miss a day or two, you could definitely tell the difference. It gets dusty, there's toothpaste in the sink and stuff like that. But when I stay on top of that, it's not so bad. And I always have my Clorox wipes right there next to the toilet so I can always keep that toilet clean. So of course the kids with being off for winter break, y'all could see my pantry was crying out for help. They were pretty much fixing their own breakfast most mornings. Cereal was their main breakfast almost every single day. I found empty boxes in there, stale chips, all kinds of stuff. It just needed to be reorganized.
And real. Maybe if I say the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure from you. Tear me apart when I know you don't want me. Cause I've been going fast and you wanna go slowly. Maybe I'm just wasting time. Tell me how you feel. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I say the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses.
On this day, it was Sunday, we had just got out of church, and one of the first things I always do is put the new meal plan for the week on the board.
Like you can, I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me,
show you my grocery haul. All these groceries came from Walmart. So first, this is for like a week worth of groceries, except for some items. First off, I want to start off with 2 gallons of milk. This is the creamer that I drink. It's called Natural Bliss Almond Creamer. This is the one that I get when I don't go to Aldi. So I try to get the almond milk because I can't drink milk. I needed 1 green bell pepper, 3 avocados. These are Dominican avocados. I love my Dominican avocados. They're huge and they just taste differently. And of course, I'm kind of biased since I am Dominican, of course. And then I had to get a big thing of heavy whipping cream. On keto, I use that a lot for recipes. I needed some sharp cheddar to make some broccoli soup, some salad for some, and we'll show you what I'm gonna do with that. Also some, sorry guys, I'm kind of sick right now. I got some sausages for this thing I'm gonna make with, my kids love it, is you cut up the sausages with some broccoli and some melted cheese. You mix it together and that's dinner. Some Italian sausage, some pecans. These, oh, I love this, guys. These beef fajitas, I get them from Walmart, but Sam's Club also has the big bag. I love it, and that's what I'm going to put on top of the salad with some avocados and some pico de gallo. It's going to be so good. I had to get some parsley flakes because I was out. This is what I'm going to use for the broccoli and the sausage. These red bell peppers is for when I make some harissa chicken. So I couldn't find the harissa sauce, so I had to make it myself. I was pretty much out of mayo. I've been making my own salad dressing, the ranch salad dressing, so I've been using a lot of this. And once you make your own ranch dressing, you do not want to go back to the store-bought. I got this big case of eggs. It was only like 3 something for 60 eggs. Like, that's pretty cheap. I need some more parchment paper. Since I'm on keto, I've been baking a lot, so I needed more Swerve sugar. I also needed some more almond milk. I got some Powerade Zeros. I got 10, but the other ones are in the garage. I also got some pork rinds, so when I make keto fried chicken, and it's so good. Even if you're not on keto, I suggest you try it because it's delicious. And my daughter has been going through a phase where she's eating a lot of pudding. I don't know. I didn't even know she liked pudding, but she's been eating a lot. Everything that I got from Walmart, and we ended up spending $93. So right before the kids go back to school, I always make sure to wash their backpacks. A few years ago, I invested in the kids' backpacks, and they've had these backpacks for 3 years. So all you have to do is just wash them, and they look right back to brand new again. But my kids' backpacks were so dirty, not to mention it is flu season, the germs and things like that. So I always make sure to wash their backpacks, just like I make sure to wash their coats and hats and anything they use for school. I didn't know my son had spilled some of his glue, and the glue was dried up inside one of the pockets. Well, guess what? When I washed it and then I put it in the dryer, it became slime.
These silly little words are all that I've got. We can try to just pretend I could hold you once again, 'cause I'm scared of feeling lost tonight. When I wake up, it's you that I think of. It's true, it's so obvious, but I'm holding back because you don't want me like I want you. You don't feel me like I feel you. Oh no. And I must confess that you don't touch me like I touch you. Never blush, baby, when I kiss you, but you don't. And I must confess that I wish I'd find someone new and forget about you. 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 There's only so much that we can save, like a storyline and a few cliches.
I was super tired on this day, but I also had to cook, but I wanted something that didn't take a lot of ingredients and was super easy, so I made some taco soup in a slow cooker.
Don't touch me like I touch you. Never blush me when I kiss you. You don't. And I must confess that I wish I'll find someone new. You're the sweetest love I ever had. And missing that is why I feel so sad. I've been holding on in case there was something we could fix, but it's all over now. Yeah, it's all over now. Yeah. Touch you, never touch me when I kiss you. You don't, and I must come.
I will be making sure to link this recipe down in the description box just in case you want to try it out.
And forget about you. Won't change a lot. How can I make it through to you when these silly little words are all that I've got? We can try to just pretend I could hold you once again, 'cause I'm scared of feeling lost tonight. When I wake up, it's you that I think of, it's true. It's so obvious, but I'm holding back because you don't want me like I want you. You don't feel me like I feel you. Oh no, and I must confess that you don't.
It was time for me to pick out my daughter's school clothes for the week. I always check the weather first before I pick out their clothes, just in case it rains or it's going to be super cold that morning or anything like that. I already told the boys to pick out their school clothes, so once they show their school clothes to me, I look at their clothes to see if it needs to be ironed, and I just get them. If it needs to be ironed, I'll just go ahead and iron them for them.
There's only so much that we can save, like a storyline and a few cliches. When we break up, it's true.
I hope you guys enjoyed this get it all done type of cleaning motivation. Don't forget to go to Yesenia's channel and check her out. I will definitely be linking her channel down in the description box. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.
Don't touch me like I touch you. Never blush me when I kiss you.